Dear students, I am Ravathi, 10th standard oda exercise 1.4 la 6th sum. Let a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equal to n. N is a natural number. Let f maps to a to b be defined by f of x equal to x cube. Then find the range of x. Identify the type of function. So solution. So given a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equal to natural number. Then f maps to a to b. Then first subdivision, find the range of f. So f of x equal to x cube. Then in the x oda value la 1 first substitute பண்ணும்போது f of 1 equal to 1 cube equal to 1. 1 belongs to natural number. Then x is equal to 2. F of 2 equal to 2 cube. Then 8 belongs to natural number. Then x is equal to 3. F of 3 equal to 3 cube. 27. 27 belongs to natural number. Then last element of a set, x is equal to 4. F of 4 equal to 4 cube equal to 64 belongs to natural number. So a ஓட வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி ரேஞ்ச் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ therefore இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்டிவிஷன். therefore range of f equal to 1, 8, 27, 64. This is a range. Next second subdivision find out பண்ணணும். Identify the types of functions. So first f maps to a to b. So every elementக்கும் ஒரு image இருக்கு. So ஒவ்வொரு elementக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு image கூட map ஆயிருக்கு. So all the elements a having different image of d. Therefore f maps to a to d is a function. Therefore it is a 1 function and into function. It is a final answer. Thank you.